How to list products on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to list and publish products into your Shopify store. It is very easy and very simple. Follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to shopify.com. Then you are going simply to sign in for a store or your store. If you have a store, it is going to be amazing. If you do not, you're going to follow up some few steps or answering some few questions on a Shopify site. Then you are going to have this admin dashboard. Once you are here, you are going to select products. Right there, as you can see, I have a product or two products at least. How we can add product? I'm going to let you see here different methods. If you have some products on a previous store or some products from like store providers like WooCommerce or Wix website or Wix stores, you're going to export these products and then you're going to import them by a CSV file. So you are going to head over here, click on import, add your CSV file, then you are going to upload and preview the ones. If you do not know how to set up the CSV file, you can download the sample CSV right there and open it. So basically you are going to get the example of that file. Now, let's go ahead to the manual method, which is going to be here the add product. Click on add product here. Then you are going to see from there the product menu. So basically here we are going to see the title, the description, the media, and the category. So here, let's go ahead and add a product. So we are going to type in the name of the product. For example, here we are going to set up something. We can go ahead and add our product name like this. So sporty or let's say here comfy shoe. For example, comfy shoe for winter, for example, like that. And for the description, you're going to write here your description, or you can go ahead and copy the title and put it with the help of the AI by generating a text, for example, just like that. And you're going to get here something like this. You're going to keep it or regenerate it. Now, from here, we're going to head over the media. We're going to upload some, let's say here, photos. I'm going to add this as an example. We are going to add it here. So here we have the category, which is going to have here recognized by the photo and also the title, the description. What is the category about of your product? So it is categorized as sneakers and shoes. So here we are going to put the price, for example, 199.99, just an example. You can add a compare at, for example, 259.99. This is for promotional purposes. And here we have the inventory. So you are going to right there track the quantity of the inventory that you have. As you can see here, I have two locations. So I am going to put up here the same, as you can see, let's say quantity for both locations. And then if you have the SKU or a barcode for that specific product, you're going to set up this case or you're going to enable it. So you're going to put the SKU and the barcode. Now for the shipping, you're going to have here the weight. So we are going to set up here the weight of it. For example, with the box and everything, it is going to be 0.8 kilogram, for example, or 1.4, I don't know. So right there for the variants, we are going to have here the option to regulate or add the variety or the options that are available of that for that product. For example, you're going to have here the sizes and whatever. For example, I'm going to put, since we have a shoe, so we are going to have here colors, for example. And also we are going to have maybe not maybe but the shoe size. So we are going to select shoe size, and here we are going to click here add shoe size and select the sizes that are available. So basically here we have the EU and also the US. So choose right there wisely what are you going to do. So if you are going to set up here the sizes, I'm going to put, for example, these US sizes, and I'm going to click on done. So basically you're going to see the variants right there for the sizes, and you can go ahead and modify the quantity of them. So here, as you can see, we have the available, we have tens. So I'm going to edit here the quantities. You're going to click on the quantities and put the same, for example, in here. And this one also is going to have this. I'm going to edit the quantity, 9999, for example, and boom. Also, I'm going to give it here for the London location, I think. I have two locations, and this is a little bit of problem for me. Like that, I'm going to put it, and here we have it. It is okay. So what I'm going to do here is to click on save, and I have added my first product. Now, what I'm going to do is to head over the online store, and then we are going to select the themes. From here, we are going to click on customize, and we are going to check out our product. So we are going to see it in the real right there website. So comfy shoe for winter, we're going to click on it. Here we have the sizes, the price, and everything is set. Now, we are going to see here everything normally as the sections showing. If you want to make the right there product page more, let's say, attracting, you can go ahead and add some sections and blocks. So we are going to click on add section, and I think that I have some featured collection, and I'm going to add it right here. So it will right there be a little bit here, let's say, boosting up maybe the sales that we have on our store, and also it is going to be on the aesthetic side. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to head over the six vertical dots and put them into the related products. So the related products are going to be here, and also the featured collection is going to be here. So you are going to click on it, and then you are going to select the collection and put it. For example, you are going to put this, and this is nearly the same as this. So I'm not going to put that. I'm going to remove it, let it as it is, so you can get a whole idea about it. So basically, that was how we can add a product and how we can control or modify and customize the product page. When you finish listing your product from here, you can go ahead and click on exit and head over the products. You can manage the inventory right there, track the purchase orders, the transfer, and gift cards. You can create some gift cards right there and put them right there, create a gift card. And the most important part is to here navigate through the collections and create your own collection. So basically here, the more products that you have into your store, the more probabilities, or the more, let's say, something like not probabilities, but the chances are going to be here increased for getting a more here buyings for or sales from different clients, or some clients that have already bought something that they need. So you are going to create collections like winter collection, for example, and then you are going to put the description of it. You can add here, select the product manually, click on here, browse, select the products that you want, and you can add a banner for that specific one. So basically, you are going to save everything and customize the page for that specific collection and add it to different product sections. In case you want to add dropshipping products, so from platforms like the AutoDS or CJ dropshipping or whatever products, you can go ahead and search on the App Store of Shopify the apps or the official apps to add them. For example, here, Auto DS, which is going to be here the dropshipping and POD platform. So you're going basically here to click on it or on the app and install it. Then you're going to get here a connection between your store on AutoDS and Shopify and etc. Also, the same thing is going to be for CJ dropshipping. You're going to get here the same app, or not the same app, but the same process. We're going to do it for Printify or the print on demand products. You can go ahead and type in Printify. You're going to get here the app. You're going to basically install the app and also connect your account for Shopify and Printify. Then you're going to publish them from the platform of Printify itself to your product section in here. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.